Hello and welcome all in a new video. In this video, we will learn how to custom set in Power BI. Here's our desktop environment in Power BI desktop. So the thing that we will try to do, I'm just showing first for the problem. I have loaded a database here, it's table. So for example, there's a column that is month of a year, month name. So if we try to create a visual with month name in x-axis, let's take it on the x-axis, and we will take, say for example, right id on the y-axis. Now we will check what will happen. Okay, now we can see from this visual that our first bar or the column is August, then July. So it has created the visual alphabetically, but what we want those at month order or January 1st and the December last. So how can I do that? So this can be applied in any scenario, like in case of the day of the week, that also applicable, isn't it? So let's think how we can solve this problem. In order to solve this problem, we will come to the table view, and in table view we will go to enter data under the home tab. So the thing from here, we want that we will create a new table as the way of order we want. We will click on create table, and here we can see we can create a new table. And here on the column 1, I will give name as month name, and we will give month name chronologically in order: January, February, March, uh, April, May, June, July, August, October, November, December. Okay, it's done. So we have to do another thing, like we have to provide a serial with this. So we will use column 2 for that, and we will give the name as month SL. Okay, so January will be first, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will give a name to this table as month order. Then we will click on load, and then we can see that our new table will be created and is being loaded, and now it can be seen on this data view month order. Here we can see our newly created table. Now we will go to the model view. Here we can see that our month order is already connected with our main table. Like here's the table, here's the column name, month name, and it has got already linked with this month name. It is automatically done, and it has a one to many relationship. Like yes, for only 1 month on month order table, there's more than one entry on full year one table. Okay. Okay, so the if that wouldn't be connected automatically, then we have to do that manually. Okay, now let's come to the this side. Now let's close this month end and try to bring month name from month order table. Okay, now we will drag this on x-axis. What will happen? Let me see. Oh, now we can see it's still not happening. It's still creating problem. August is fast, but we do not want actually that. So how to solve this problem? Okay, we have to come on the table view, and we will click on the month order. So under this month order table, we will find here a sort by option. So whenever we click on the month or month name column, we can find that sort by column option under this column tool, table tool option. So we from here we will click on, there's a tricky part, we will not click on month name, we will click on month serial. So it will be sorted on month serial. Okay. So this table will always be maintained as month serial. Okay, now we will try to load the data, load the report view. So we have sorted this month order table as per month serial column, but we will now load this month name on x-axis. Let's see what will happen. That's good. Now we can see it has come in order. Okay. This table will always be generated on the serial on the basis of serial of month SL column. As this is one is for January, so we are taking month name column on x-axis and we are getting it on properly ordered. Okay, January 1st, February 2nd, March 3rd. So this is the now we can see actual shape of the distribution of this field of like right ID. It gives us the count of right ID and it's kind of bell shaped. So now I hope everything is clear. You can understand how to custom sort the column the axis of a visual in Power BI. That's all for today. See you again on next video. Till then, bye bye.